Welcome to the top best. The best camera cover is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for anyone concerned about their digital privacy and security in today's interconnected world. In an era where our webcams are constantly accessible, a simple physical barrier can provide immense peace of mind, preventing unauthorized access and protecting your personal space from prying eyes, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This small yet powerful tool is your first line of defense against potential digital intrusions, ensuring your privacy remains firmly in your control. Number 5. CloudValley Webcam Cover Slide, 2-pack. Introducing the CloudValley Webcam Cover Slide, a sleek and ultra-thin solution designed to safeguard your visual privacy. This essential accessory ensures your camera is covered when you need it most. Experience a perfect blend of fashion and function with its subtle design that complements the aesthetic of your favorite devices. It's designed to be both stylish and practical. Enjoy a clean, minimalist aesthetic with its beautifully layered matte black finish. This elegant design adds a touch of sophistication without being obtrusive. Its incredibly thin profile makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, including MacBooks, laptops, iPads, iPhones, and PCs. You can trust it to fit seamlessly. Applying it is incredibly simple, just align, attach, and press firmly for a secure fit. It won't interfere with your webcam usage or indicator light. Crafted from durable metal, this cover is only 0.023 inches thick, providing robust protection without adding bulk. It's the perfect discreet addition to your tech gear. What we like. This option offers an ultra-thin metal design with an elegant matte black finish. If you are looking for a sleek and minimalist accessory that complements your high-end devices like MacBooks or iPads, this is a great choice. Its slim profile ensures it won't interfere with closing your laptop. What people say. The camera cover is very thin and unobtrusive, allowing the laptop to close completely without any issues. It slides smoothly and stays open or closed as intended, providing a secure cover for the webcam. The adhesive is strong and holds the cover firmly in place, ensuring it won't fall off during normal use. Number 4. Yilador Webcam Cover, 3-pack. Are you concerned about unwanted surveillance? Our webcam cover provides a simple and effective way to block your camera when not in use, ensuring your privacy is always protected. These covers are incredibly thin, adding minimal bulk to your devices. They seamlessly integrate with your laptop's design, offering both protection and a sleek look. Designed to fit most laptops, phones, and tablets, you can use them on a wide range of your devices. Enjoy peace of mind across all your gadgets. Featuring an upgraded adhesive, these covers offer a strong and lasting hold. You can trust them to stay in place and protect your privacy day after day. Applying the cover is a breeze with just a few simple steps. Once applied, you can easily slide it open or close to control your camera access. Please note that these covers are not suitable for devices with protruding front cameras or certain screen protector styles. Always check compatibility before purchase. What we like. This choice boasts a thin and stylish profile with an upgraded adhesive for a strong hold. If you need a reliable privacy solution for a variety of devices including laptops, phones, and tablets, and want long-term protection without damaging your equipment, this is the one for you. It's designed for ease of use and broad compatibility. What people say. It's a great product that fits perfectly on my laptop. The cover slides smoothly and stays closed. It provides good privacy and is easy to install. Number 3. MESMOS 6PK Laptop Camera Cover Slide. Introducing our adorable camera covers, designed to protect your privacy with a touch of cuteness. They offer a perfect blend of functionality and style for all your devices. These covers are designed to be compatible with a wide range of devices. Whether it's your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, they provide seamless protection. Our webcam covers are incredibly thin, ensuring your devices can still close perfectly. Enjoy peace of mind without any added bulk. Enhance your smartphone's selfie camera privacy with these easy-to-use sliders. They are also a great addition to your laptop accessories. Applying them is a breeze, and they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue. Protect yourself from unwanted access and hackers effortlessly. Feel good about your purchase. A portion of the proceeds from every sale is donated to the Single Parent Project, supporting a vital cause. What we like. This product stands out with its cute designs and the added benefit of supporting a noble cause with a portion of proceeds donated. If you're looking for a webcam cover that's not only functional but also adds a touch of personality, especially for women or those who love cute accessories, this is an excellent pick. It's easy to apply and remove without leaving any sticky traces. What people say. The camera cover slides smoothly and stays put. It's very thin and doesn't add bulk to my laptop. Easy to install, just peel and stick. Number 2. Webcam cover 6-pack. Keep your personal moments private. This simple accessory ensures no one can access your camera without your permission. Our camera cover is incredibly thin, so it won't interfere with closing your laptop. It's made from durable plastic for long-lasting protection. Safeguard your online privacy and prevent unwanted spying. It also keeps your camera lens free from dust and dirt. Designed to fit almost any device, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It's the perfect solution for all your gadgets. Applying it is as easy as peeling and sticking. You can slide it open or close with a single finger, and it leaves no residue when removed. This package includes 6 covers, ensuring you have one for every device you own. Meet all your privacy needs with this convenient set. What we like. This option is made from premium high-strength ABS plastic, offering high safety and long-term reliable protection. If your priority is robust security against hackers and protection from dirt and dust for your camera, this is a solid choice. Its design allows for easy opening and closing with just one finger, making it convenient for everyday use on almost any device. What people say. The camera cover is very thin and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It fits perfectly on my laptop and doesn't obstruct the camera view. The sliding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, providing quick access to the camera when needed. Number 1. Eyebloc Nanobloc Universal Camera Blocker Kit. Experience a seamless and secure setup in seconds with our universal webcam cover. Unlike traditional sticker covers, it leaves no residue, making it a perfect choice for your privacy needs. This set includes 7 camera covers in various shapes, ideal for different devices. The special material allows for repeated use, simply rinse with water to restore its stickiness and remove dirt. Whether at home or on the go, we offer cutting-edge cybersecurity products to safeguard your privacy and data. Our innovative cover ensures protection against hacking and unauthorized access. We stand out with our thinnest magnetic covers in various colors and artistic designs. Our tagline, "We've got you covered," highlights our dedication to security and aesthetics. Our compact and stylish black camera covers are compatible with a wide range of devices. They are ideal for anyone seeking privacy with style. What we like. This kit features a unique nano-suction technology, making it reusable and residue-free. If you value versatility and sustainability, this is the product for you, as you can rinse and reuse them multiple times. It's perfect for those who switch devices frequently or want a stylish, eco-friendly privacy solution that works on a wide range of gadgets. What people say. It is very thin and lightweight, so it doesn't add bulk to my laptop. The cover slides smoothly and stays open when I need it to. It fits perfectly on my webcam and doesn't obstruct the view. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.